There's an island in Florida where technically anyone can go. You can drive onto it, you can look around, but actually living there, that's a completely different story. Palm Beach Island. From the outside, it feels like just another part of Florida. But this island was never built that way. In the early 1900s, it was shaped by one man, Henry Flagler. He didn't just develop Palm Beach. He engineered it. Hotels like the Breakers and Whitehall weren't just places to stay. They were signals that this island was becoming a destination for a very specific class of people. Industrial wealth, political influence, families building winter estates far removed from the public. And over time, those families became something else. They became embedded. Names like the Kennedy family spent winters here. More recently, people like Donald Trump with Mar-a-Lago, and billionaires like Ken Griffin quietly assembling property here. And that's where things start to shift. Because homes here don't always move the way you think they do. Some of the most valuable properties never even hit the market. They're discussed privately, shared quietly, sometimes sold before anyone even knows they were available. And there have always been stories about homes trading hands through just connections. And buyers with unlimited budgets, of course, who still couldn't get in. Because here, money is only part of the equation. The rest is access. And access in Palm Beach has always been very layered. Who you know? Were you invited? What doors open for you? And which ones never do? Even the layout of the island reflects it. Ocean on one side, intracoastal on the other. Limited land, limited entry points. A place that looks open, but was always naturally restricted. And over time, that created something very specific. An island where everything appears visible. But the most important things still happen very quietly. Behind gates, behind hedges, behind relationships. And once you start seeing that, you realize something most people never do. This was never just a place to live. It was a place designed to control who gets in and who doesn't. See you tomorrow.